Hi, this is your second problem for Wednesday, February 10th. It says a rectangular picture has an area of 156 square inches. What is the height of the picture? If we look at our reference chart, which we have here, we see that we have area, and there's two formulas here. It says A equals L times W, or A equals B times H, and B stands for base. And so we are going to use this formula because this is a formula that is important. It states it right here in the equation. So A equals base times height, where B stands for base. Okay. Now, on here, it says a rectangular picture has an area of 156 square inches. So the total of this is 156 inches. It gives us our A. So 156 is the A. That's our area. It gives us our total. The base of the picture is 13 inches. So we know we're going to plug these numbers right into our formula. We know what our base is. And remember, when we have a letter next to a letter, the default operation in between these is automatically going to be multiplication. So A equals B, H really means A equals base times height. Okay, so these are the same thing. This really means this. Okay, 156 156 equals 13 times whatever our h is. And this is going to be a question mark because we don't know what our height is of this. All right, so I'm going to do some highlighting here. Okay. Our base here, this is our length. This is when we hang it up on the wall. This is going to be 13 inches. Okay. This side length is our height. And we do not know what our height is, okay? The total of this equals 156. So we can use the inverse operation. This is like finding the unknown, okay? When we do not know one of these figures, we can use the inverse operation to determine what the value of this missing number is. So the inverse operation of multiplication is going to be division. So we're going to divide. 13 is going to be our divisor. And I'm just going to divide this. I'm going to put a 1 here, a line, a 5 here, a line, and a 6. Okay? I'm going to do my multiplication facts. Remember, we are dividing, so we're using D, M, S, B, R. Okay, divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, repeat, or bring over, repeat. Okay, 13 goes into 1, 0 times. We're going to multiply next. 13 times 0 is 0. We subtract. 1 minus 0 is 1. We bring over our 1, and we repeat. 13 goes into 15 one time, so we can get one group of 13. 13 times 1 is 13. We subtract. 5 minus 3 is 2. We bring over and repeat. Okay, now I know 13 times 1 is 13. I'm going to do 13 times 2. 2 times 3 is 6. And 2 times 1 is 2. Okay, so 13 goes into 26 2 times, because that's my 2 here. 13 times 2 is 26. I subtract and I get 0. So the height here is going to be this number here. I'm going to circle it red. It's going to be 12. So 13 times 12 equals 156. And I could do the inverse operation, 13 times 12, to verify to make sure this is right, and it will give me 156. Rewatch this video if you have questions on how to solve this problem.